My video is about removing Whiteshoplabels.ml. Whiteshoplabels.ml. It's a truly malicious resource that currently attacks many countries, and this is the information from Alexa about this site. You can see that it attacks India, Iran, US, and other countries too. Unfortunately, this website is extremely malicious because it tries to force you into clicking on the allow button, supposedly to verify that you are not a robot. But in reality, clicking on allow button immediately redirects you to many unfamiliar pages in the internet. Because of that, the computer may be infected by adware, browser hijackers, and so on. Therefore, if you have mistakenly clicked on the allow, go to the menu, click on settings, then site, settings, and now notifications. Pay very careful attention to the allow area, and if you find some of these suspicious sites, be sure to remove them completely. Finally, I also recommend double-checking your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. It's important because those pop-ups that you have just seen may be the trace of certain adware in your system. Of course, you may visually examine your currently available programs, but the problem is that very often the adware is concealed deep in the system, so you cannot visually establish its presence. So combocleaner.com, that's the website I recommend you to go to. And then after the program is downloaded, click on Start Combo Scan to begin the complete research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific thread manually, one at a time. So this is the free manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.